always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're gonna go ahead and talk about the Supreme Week 17 live cop. I am gonna go ahead and try to go for a couple items. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I went to sleep hella late yesterday. There's been a lot going on. If you have been following my Instagram, you would know exactly what it is. Normally, I like keeping things like that away from my YouTube, but if you are interested in seeing what's going on behind the scenes right now, you can go ahead and click my Instagram. But I am gonna go ahead and show you guys what happened this morning with Supreme. I decided to go for the box logo tee, the Mariah Carey tee, and like 3 more tees that I actually thought were pretty cool. And let's go ahead and check out exactly what happened. Before we do, go ahead and slap a like on this video. Subscribe to my channel down below if you are interested in checking out some more of this content. Also, let me know what you would like to see. Now that Supreme is almost near the end, I am willing to go ahead and film any type of videos that you would like to see on the channel. So let me know in the comments. Definitely will have time to go ahead and do that. But without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. Boom, it's already 11:00 something and I'm literally waiting for the drop to happen. Nothing has dropped and I'm like, bro, why is it so delayed? I go ahead and it loads up. I go to the T section. I'm on the box logo ASAP, bro, and it doesn't even want to load at first. So I go to the black one and the olive one. I put it in the XL. It says sold out, bro. I go to the next color, put that shit in navy XL, add to cart. Guess what? Sold out. Add the next color. Boom, XL, sold out. So every color is saying sold out off the rip. I'm like, bro, what the fuck? I tried like 6 of the colorways and nothing would add to my cart, bro. It just wouldn't add. I don't know why. Everything was saying sold out. So I go back. I'm like, yo, fuck it. I took the L. I'm not gonna waste time. Let me go for this Mariah Carey tee. I go straight to the black one. I'm like, yo, let me see if there's anything else on here that I want, because it wasn't even loading. Like, if you see the thing, it says untitled, but the bare tee did load. So I open a couple tees that I'm interested in buying. I go to the Koyanitska tee and I'm like, yo, I actually want that. Let me add that to the cart. Nope, sold out. Add the bear tee, shit says sold out too, bro. The no more shit tee, sold out. Every tee is telling me that it's sold out and I don't understand why. Like, I don't get why this shit wasn't working. It just wasn't letting me add anything to the cart. I keep trying. Everything says sold out and eventually it did let me add it to the cart. I got the Koyanitska tee and I found the Mariah Carey tee in the green color was still available in my size, so I added that, checked out, and now we're here adding our information. This process took a little while as well. I literally cropped out a lot of seconds out of this. If you could see at the top, it took over 25 seconds to get that to check out, but I did manage to get those 3 tees. Now I go straight to the no more shit tee in the brown color because I thought it was fire. Add that. Balaclava in red, need that. Let me get that too. Add that to the cart, and the balaclava was sold out. I'm like, bro, I'm not gonna lose this brown tee because I want to wear that with my traps. Click the checkout button and I'm here adding my information once again. This was actually a pretty fast one. I feel like because it didn't have any of the popular tees, it did end up processing way quicker, and I managed to get the no more shit tee as well in the brown colorway. So I got the no more shit tee, the Mariah tee in green, I got the Koyanitska tee and the bear tee in black. And then I want to give a major shout out to the homie Marco because he actually was able to cook up on a restock for the box logo in the natural colorway size XL. I actually am a fan of that one because it's way more subtle. A lot of people aren't really loving that one too much, but I feel like it's actually a banger, bro. It's one of the ones that you wear and it's not screaming Supreme, which I really am a fan of. I'm probably just gonna hold this shit and see what it does in the future, but that pretty much does it for the live cop. I did end up getting 4 tees. Actually, I ended up getting 5 tees: the no more shit, the bear tee, the Mariah Carey in green, the box logo in the natural colorway, and I also got the Koyanitska tee in black. Shout out to the homie Marco for plugging me on a slot this week. I do want to say that if you did enjoy this video, go ahead and slap a like on this one down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click on post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And also, do not forget to tell the people around you that you love them, because you really never know when the last moment that you'll get to share that with them is. Honestly, there's a lot of shit going on, and like I said before, I don't really like touching on it too much on YouTube, but if you are interested in seeing more about it, go ahead and check out my Instagram. Just make sure that the people around you know that you care for them, because you don't know, bro. You just don't know what can be the next day. Like, it's just weird the way that life works. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.